I will be demonstrating how to start, pause, resume, and end an infusion using the point-of-care device. With your patient selected, click on the Meds tab. Locate the infusion you wish to administer. In this instance, we are administering an IV potassium infusion. Scan the barcode on the bag. You may need to remove the outer bag first. The flow sheet will appear, either with the infusion rate pre-populated, or you will need to enter the ordered infusion rate. Click into the infusion rate field as shown. A keypad will appear. Enter the ordered rate of 100 mL per hour and press Enter. Now the text at the bottom of this column will show as started. Once done, you can click Save on the bottom right. The scan icon next to the medication confirms that the system has recorded this item as scanned. Now click Save. Now scan the patient's ID wristband. Next is the cosign prompt. The cosigning nurse clicks into the Enter User field, then searches their name starting with their surname, first name. Click Find, and then they select their name. Back on the main screen, they now click on Enter PIN and enter their PIN. Once done, click Save on the bottom right. You will then be prompted to enter your own PIN to sign for the administration. The infusion now displays a gauge icon indicating the level of the bag. The estimated end time also displays. Click the arrow to view the bag volume and duration. We are now going to pause the infusion. Click on the INF icon and select Infuse Titrate from the menu. When the flow sheet appears, you will need to click into the infusion rate field and enter 0 as the infusion rate. Note, the text at the bottom of the column will now say Paused. Then you can click Save on the bottom right. From the medication home screen, click Save. Then enter your PIN to sign. This infusion now shows as paused with a 0 mL per hour flow rate. To resume the infusion, simply click on the INF icon again and again select Infuse Titrate. Now click into the infusion rate field and enter the original ordered rate of 100 mL per hour. The text at the bottom of the column will now indicate that the infusion will be resumed. Click Save. And save again. And enter your PIN to sign. The infusion is recorded as resumed at 100 mL per hour. When the infusion shows as done, you still need to record the bag as ended in the system. This is very important, as if you do not record the end of the infusion, the data will not populate into the fluid balance chart. Note that the end time of the bag displays here in red until you have ended the infusion in the flow sheet. Click on the INF icon, then select Infuse Titrate. You can update the time the infusion ended by clicking into the Date and Time field. Here, I'm updating the end time to 1:55 p.m. using the keypad. Click OK when done, and enter the infusion rate as 0. The status at the bottom of this column will now show as infused. Click Save. Then click Save again, and a final time before you can enter your PIN to sign for this record. We can see there is no more red text. The infusion has been recorded as ended in the system, and the data will now show in the patient's fluid balance chart. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.